Hey friends, I know you've been asking yourself, how can you really make money with absolutely no skills? And I want to tell you one thing about this is that it's really possible. And right now, I'm going to show you this person who makes $2,000 up to $10,000. As you can see right now, this person right here, he makes $2,000 every single month up to $10,000 with absolutely no skills. And this is a person that has inspired me on this journey to make more than $10,000. And right after watching this guy makes up to $10,000, I was really inspired and I said to myself that okay, this is possible. How can he make more than $10,000 with absolutely no skills? So I decided to try, and I'm going to show you all the process on how I'm trying this, and later in this video I'll show you the process of my journey on how I'm gonna make $10,000 with absolutely no skills at all. So I want you to stay with me and let's dive in and see how this is going to work out for us. Let's dive in. Recording random videos. You really don't need any skills for you to start recording random videos from your mobile phone and uploading these random videos on YouTube and start making money. I didn't know that you can make up to $10,000 just by uploading random videos on YouTube. You don't have to talk, you don't have to show your face. You can just record these random videos and upload on YouTube and make a decent amount of money. The good thing is that I created the YouTube channel like 2 days ago, and the aim of this channel, I'll be posting different videos about the rain. And you can see I recorded too many videos, more than 20 videos I have on my phone right now, ready to post on YouTube, and these videos will make a lot of money for me. So I think this is the best way for you to start making money. And the good thing about this is that anyone can do this. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, it doesn't matter how old are you, you can start uploading random videos on YouTube and you can make a decent amount of money. So if you're new on YouTube, you have to reach at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for you to start getting paid on YouTube. So the more you keep posting these videos, the more this video will get a lot of views and the more you will make a lot of money from YouTube. So this is like the best way for you to start making money, and the good thing is that I'm also going to try this. So next on the list we have dog walking, and you can get paid $190 per day and more than $3,000 per 1 month. So for you to get these jobs, you can go to this website which is called Indeed, and you can see all these people are looking for someone who can work out with their dogs and they can get paid up to $3,000 a month. So let's say that you're from Nigeria. You can just write on Google dog walking in Nigeria. Let's say that you're from Tanzania. You can just write dog walking in Tanzania. All these jobs are available and a lot of people are willing to pay you good amount of money, and this requires no skills at all. You have to go ahead and see how much you're really gonna make. Now we have online surveys, and there are trusted platforms that pay really cash to anyone who is going to complete surveys on these platforms. And it's really not going to pay you decent amount of money, but you can at least make $100 up to $150, $200 just by completing surveys on this website that I'm going to show you right now. There are this website which is called Google Opinion Rewards. I've seen people who are making up to $100 just by completing surveys on this platform. And the other website is Swagbucks. This website is very trusted. And the last one is called Taluna. So if you are interested on these surveys, you may want to go ahead to Taluna, Google Opinion Rewards, or Swagbucks. These are among trusted websites that can really pay you real cash just by completing surveys on these platforms. Right now we have hobby monetization. You have to sit down and ask yourself, what is it that you really love doing and how can you turn this into money making method? Let's say that you love taking photos from your mobile phone. You can take good photos from your mobile phone and you can go ahead and sell to different platforms which are buying photos from different people. I can recommend this platform that are really going to buy your photos, like Fob, Alamy, Get Image, and Ads. These are platforms that are buying photos from different creators. So if you think you have any hobbies, you really have to make sure that you can turn your hobby into a money making method. Rent out your space. So if you have extra space in your home, you can now consider renting this place out on platforms like Airbnb. I have this good friend of mine, his name is Imani. He decided to turn his house into Airbnb. So whenever these tourists are coming in, he gets decent amount of money, up to $3,000 a month, $2,000 a month. The good thing is that you just have to make sure that that place is your own place. Like if you have big house, you can just take at least 2 bedrooms and turn them bedrooms into Airbnb and go to this website which is called Airbnb. It requires no skills at all. You have to take good pictures of your place. You have to upload these pictures on this website for you to invite these different visitors who may want to go ahead and come to stay at your place, and you can charge them starting at $25, $60, $100. It just depends on how your place looks like. So you may want to go ahead and try this and see how much you're really gonna make. Go to Airbnb and create your own profile right now and see how much you're gonna make just by doing that. So now we have selling items online. You really don't need a lot of money or skills to start selling items online on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And I can tell you one thing about this. I had this fridge at my place. I didn't use this refrigerator, so I decided to go on Facebook Market and I sold this fridge in a very fast way. So if you have anything at your place and you no longer use that thing and you think that you can make good money out of it, you have to publish it, sell it to different customers. There are a lot of good customers on these platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, and this can be the easiest way for you to start making money just by selling items online. So you may want to go ahead and try this and see how much you're going to make. So last, we have these amazing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Amazon Mechanical Turk. These platforms, you can get a very simple task like entering data and simple graphic designing. You can get paid $100 just by completing this very simple task on this platform. So if you want to go ahead and find this task, you have to go to Fiverr, Upwork, or Amazon Mechanical Turk. You can find all these jobs are available and you can start making money just by doing that. As I told you before, we're just going to try together. I know you've been watching videos like this for a really long time now on how to make money online, but you have never taken any step. In this video, I'm just going to show you how I'm taking my first step on how I'm going to try to make money with absolutely no skills. As I told before, I have recorded too many rain videos and all these videos are now on my laptop, and I'm just going to upload these videos in front of you, and I will be back to you in the next 3 months and I will tell you the result that I made after uploading these videos on my new channel. So I really hope that you're just going to try one of these. You can try uploading rain videos. You can try doing all this method that I've showed and I've explained in this video. The goal and the aim is to make our 2024 the better year of our life. So you really have to try right now. You really have to take the risk right now before it's too late. So thank you so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.